Pretty cool. And this is kind of fleshy. It's not too soft. It leaves a slight indent, but nothing crazy if I puncture it. There is a seed in here. Okay. Trying to see if I can get the seed out. That's not gonna happen without cutting it out, but there is a white seed on the inside. So, here we go. I'm just gonna go for it because now I've exposed the seed. I don't want to eat the seed. I just want to eat the fruit. So I'm gonna cut this little piece of seed out. Now this is sweeter than dragon fruit. It was like a coconut lychee. I don't know how to explain that. It's kind of rough getting all the flesh off the seed, but this one I actually cut into. You get a little better view. I'm down for this Rambutan. The dragon fruit, I like the yellow one better. But this Rambutan, oh yeah. So that was the first time taste tester. Went very well. The Rambutan, thumbs up. Red dragon fruit, I know what's good for you. This will end up in my juice later when I make some juice, but I prefer the yellow one. You guys don't forget, you can go to Amazon and get your t-shirts from Human to Oxygen. I'll make sure the link is down below so you can get your shirts today. We are water, we are one. Thanks for joining me on the first time taste test, and I'll see you next time. And yes, I'm going to upload the video for I managed to find all these great fruits and veggies.